Hi, want to show your internet speed on your taskbar in Windows? Here is the easy step. Now go to the Microsoft Store and download Microsoft PC Manager. No extra heavy apps, just one official Microsoft tool. Okay, now go to the toolbox and show toolbox on the desktop. If you want to use add tools, you can add screenshots, calculator, whatever you want to use. The show speed on taskbar or floating video option also available. You can drag it anywhere or keep it near the taskbar for clean look, as you can see on my screen. If you want to drag upside downside, it will not irritate you. Now I am going to hide all tools and OK. So thanks for watching this video. Follow for more simple Windows tips and tricks.